Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make frozen wontons. First, gather your ingredients for the filling, ensuring everything is finely minced for a smooth texture. Next, arrange your wonton wrappers on a clean, dry surface, ready for assembly. Keep a small bowl of water nearby. It's essential for sealing the edges of each wonton securely. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient wonton-making process. Now let's get to the fun part, filling and folding. Place approximately 1 teaspoon of your delicious filling right in the center of each wrapper. Lightly moisten the edges with water, then fold the wrapper into a triangle, gently pressing out any air. Finally, bring the 2 bottom corners together, overlapping them slightly, and press firmly to seal. This classic fold creates a perfect little parcel. To ensure your wontons freeze perfectly, arrange them in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure they don't touch, preventing them from sticking together. Pop them into the freezer for at least 2 hours or until they are completely solid. Once frozen, transfer them to an airtight freezer bag. They will keep well for up to 3 months, ready for a quick meal. Cooking your frozen wontons is incredibly simple. There's no need to thaw them. Just cook them directly from the freezer. For boiling, drop them into simmering water for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until they float to the surface. If you prefer them crispy, pan-fry them until golden brown. Serve these delightful wontons immediately with a savory dipping sauce or in a comforting broth.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.